The most valuable part of IMSM to us is the ability to be able to coordinate our management system with us, be able to be on hand for consultation, and also to guide us through the initial approval process. What drove us to attain ISO certification was the need to standardise and control the processes and flows of the business. We needed to make sure that everyone is on board with what they're doing. We need to narrow the bandwidth of the business in regard to, we're an engineer and everything needs to be exact and on point. Before the relationship with IMSM, the quality management system was stale. It wasn't actually a progressive, intuitive, dynamic system. It was a very staid system, and almost the system was wagging the business as opposed to actually using the system to push the business forward. What really made IMSM stand out over the competition, we approached a number of different consultants, interestingly enough, but it was just the way they put us all at ease. Nothing was too much trouble, and they took us through the process incrementally. To start talking about the whole process in one file sweep was just too much for us, but they actually broke it down and made it clear and understandable. I would describe IMSM's level of expertise as being across the board, to be honest. We spoke with a number of consultants during our accreditation process. All had experience in a wide variety of industries and processes, and it's that reason that we actually used IMSM and decided to go with them. The results were fantastic. We managed to completely restructure our management system, and it enabled us to achieve our 2015 accreditation. I would describe IMSM overall as a company as a very friendly face, a very local feeling company, but obviously they have a nationwide and international spread, and literally there was nothing that they wouldn't do to help us through the process. Something that can be quite all-encompassing and quite worrisome is a management system to a business in regard to implementation, and they just made it easy. I wouldn't hesitate to recommend them as a consultation business.